next question comes from Derek on Instagram. Hey, Adam, loving the content and always helpful tips. I typically clean, sanitize, purge, and pressurize my FV the night before a brew day. Haven't encountered any issues with this method yet, but was wondering if I'm running any risk of contamination by leaving it that way before transferring anything over post-boil the following day. Is this common practice, or do you clean your FV simultaneously with the brew day? Thanks in advance. I think that's a great procedure, man. First of all, make sure that all of your cleaning and sanitizing chemicals are diluted appropriately, used at the right temperature. And if you are using something no rinse, make sure that your concentrations are correct, pHs are correct, all that stuff. It is absolutely fine to run a clean, sanitize, and CO2 purge of that vessel and then pressurize it. So that way, you know, the next day when you come back to it, if it's still holding pressure, that you don't have a leak in the tank or anything like that. But yeah, I think you're good. I think you're good to do that for 24 hours. Sometimes people go even a little bit further with that. But you do want to be very, very tight on your chemical handling and everything. The nice thing is it does give you the opportunity to blow the bottom of that vessel out to make sure all your residual sanitizing chemical is removed. That's something I feel very, very strong about. You want that thing to be dry when you're blowing it out at the bottom, and you should be good to roll. I love the idea. Great question. Great process.